Hey YouTube, this is a ProTech channel again. Today I'm here to show you how to get free ringtones on your Verizon Wireless cell phone. This probably works on every single phone, and it just needs to have ability to receive emails, and yeah, that's it. So let's begin. First, go on your internet browser. And go to zedge.net. It's gonna be in the description down there. And then now search for any ringtone you want. So example, I want to search for a police siren, so just type it in, police siren. This site has over a million ringtones. Search anything you want. And you can even try it out before you download it. Over here, see? Okay, I want this ringtone, so I just choose it. And over here, do not click on any of these over here, or any of these over here, the blue ones. Or do not even click on the orange one over here. They all charge you. Click on the green one where it says download to PC. And start the download. And just save it anywhere you want. I would recommend your desktop. And yeah, it's done downloading. So then you go on your email. Doesn't matter what email you have. So I'll just go to mine. And wait, sign in, go to compose mail. Okay, we'll go to now type your phone number in. So I'll just type mine in. And I'll just hide the phone number, so I don't want anyone calling me. Your phone number, and then at right over here, yeah, vzwpics.com. That's it. Now go on attach file, and then go to all the way, and you should see your ringtone wherever you saved it. Go to wherever you saved it, and I see mine's over here, the police siren. And just click send. And now go to your phone over here, and after a while you should see the email and the message that you send to your phone right now. It takes a while to receive it. Okay, and there it is. Your phone should start connecting. It should start receiving the message. And 100% received. Let's go to view now. And it's just there it is. Just go to options, just save sound, or set it as a ringtone. So I'll just save the sound because I don't want that's my ringtone, obviously. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.